Alright, buckle up, buttercups. Ever dreamed of hitting the open road on two wheels, then crashing in the wilderness? You're in the right place. This is your beginner's guide to motorcycle camping. Or as the cool kids say, moto camping. It's an awesome adventure, trust me. So, what exactly is moto camping? Simply put, it's camping. But you get there on your motorcycle. Sounds awesome, right? It is. It's freedom, adventure, the perfect blend of two-wheeled travel and outdoor living. It's the best way to explore the world, one scenic mile at a time. And a fantastic way to connect with nature. First things first, the gear. Don't worry, you don't need a whole storage unit or a second mortgage. Focus on essentials. A lightweight tent is key, something easy to set up and small when packed. Think small. A sleeping bag rated for the temperatures you expect, a sleeping pad for comfort, and a pillow. You can even get inflatable pillows that pack down super tiny. Don't forget a compact cooking setup, a small stove, pot, and sport. Yes, a sport. It's multi-functional. Plus, it saves space. Consider a water filter too, for clean water on the go. Now, how do you pack all this stuff? Well, you'll need luggage. Saddlebags are a classic, and a top box adds extra space. They're great for carrying your heavier items. You can also use a dry bag, strapped securely to your bike. These are awesome for keeping your gear dry and protected from the elements. The key is to distribute the weight evenly, and keep the heaviest items low, for better handling and stability. Think about where you place your gear. Balancing the weight is important for handling the bike. Safety first, folks. Next up, what not to forget. Navigation is crucial. A GPS unit or a phone mount with a good navigation app is a must. Download offline maps, just in case you lose signal. A basic toolkit for roadside repairs is a lifesaver. This includes things like wrenches, screwdrivers, and a tire repair kit. First aid kit, obviously. And don't forget essentials like water, lots of water, snacks, and extra fuel. Especially if you're going off the beaten path. Pack high-calorie snacks to keep your energy up. Oh, and a headlamp. You'll thank me later. When you're setting up camp in the dark, choosing your campsite is also important. Look for campgrounds that are motorcycle-friendly, with amenities like restrooms and water. Check for fire restrictions, too. Always check the weather forecast. Be prepared for changing conditions. And tell someone where you're going and when you expect to be back. Share your route and estimated return time. Safety first. Again, setting up camp is where the fun begins. Find a flat spot for your tent. Set it up and arrange your gear. Use a ground sheet to protect your tent's floor. Cook a simple meal. Enjoy the sunset and revel in your adventurous spirit. Maybe even make some coffee. It's all about enjoying the journey and the solitude, or the camaraderie of fellow campers, depending on your vibe. Moto camping communities are full of friendly people. Tips for a smooth ride? Pack light. Every pound matters. Consider a packing list to stay organized. Learn basic motorcycle maintenance, like checking your tire pressure and chain. This will prevent potential issues on the road. Take breaks often. Stretch your legs, and get some fresh air. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. And respect the environment. Leave no trace. Pack out everything you pack in. Dispose of waste properly. Be mindful of wildlife. Moto camping is an amazing experience. It's challenging, rewarding, and a fantastic way to escape the everyday. It's an adventure you won't soon forget. So, grab your gear, plan your route, and hit the road. You got this. Now go have some fun out there. Ride safe, and enjoy the journey.